as you can see, we're at Neaf. Pretty cool to see. Time to go down there and start talking to some of the vendors and see what they got in store for us this year. Now, I'll do a review of Zewo stuff later. I know that Zewo already put out their announcements, but I haven't seen much of anything else, so we'll deal with that here in a little bit. And there are my moderators on Discord.
I thought I saw you earlier.
Yeah. Oh, Harrisburg. I haven't done.
Oh wow.
The oil, actually, the oil looks
That's
like
light.
Dual sensor camera. This is a guide sensor and this is a main sensor. There is a knob so that you can put it up and down and to get it focused.
Yeah, there you go.
We're still developing it, so it is not released. If you use it, you cannot use an OAG actually. But since the thickness of this is same as the OAG, and the interface is M54. M54, yeah. And here you can use the hand controller of the focuser, EAF, to control it.
That was a tiring day. So lots of walking around, lots of meeting people. If I met you, thank you for your kind words. If I haven't met you yet, maybe I'll see you tomorrow. So today I just walked around, got a feel for what was going on, and just checked out everything and talked to a lot of people. Tomorrow when we go in, we'll talk to all of the vendors that have new stuff. So yes, Zewo, I'll be talking to them, but also talking to other vendors to see if they have something new, if they don't have anything new to show. Like for example, if they're putting something together but it's just not out yet. See if we can get any previews out of them. But I'm exhausted. I'm sweaty from how hot it was in that building, so I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed. We'll see you tomorrow. What's up, man? Nice.
Anything with a web browser can get to them and be able to control your stuff. We use DC power for everything, so you're not dealing with mains voltage, even for the large motors. This is the one that we use for our big roofs. We've used this on 16 by 20 foot roofs without any issues. For this one, we're actually using two of these little motors.
Oh, nice.
And moves it nice and quiet. Makes it easy to use, and they're all ASCOM compliant as well. With no drivers, we use the new ASCOM Alpaca interface directly on the device. So
nice.
Full discovery. You go in, you click Discover in ASCOM, it finds the devices, and they're available. If you're just physically there, just open it up.
Nice.
So.
Well, that was funny. Sat down to eat, and some people from a galaxy far, far away decided to have a fight just near me. need a pair of these sunglasses that clip onto my regular glasses. What do you guys got new this year?
Oh, we got a few new things. That's what we call Star Sense Auto Guider. So quite a few years ago, we introduced an accessory called Star Sense, which is an accessory that allows our computerized telescope to do star alignment, automatic alignment, right? You press a button, it does the stance, align to the sky. So now, this year, we're introducing its big brother. So it does all that, plus auto guide, and as well as polar alignment assist. So it does all that. Basically, now all of a sudden you get a integrated package to help you do astrophotography. So the eclipse coming up later
Yeah.
in the year and next year, right? This eyepiece. So I don't know if this is of interest to you, but we're launching our Eclipse Smart products.
Yeah. I was just looking at the boxes there. For the actual glasses, the one thing that would be nice is for us, like a clip-on pair or something, or a way to put those on.
Glasses. I actually had it fitting on top of my smaller pair of glasses. So
Okay.
Okay. I think one thing might be interesting is what we call the power views. The guys are in front of us right now, but it's kind of like a folding piece of folding binoculars, but it's got built-in solar filters. So once you're done with your solar glasses, you're ready to give it a little bit more magnification. That power view binoculars actually give you 2 times magnification as well as the protection from the sun.
Wow.
So with a very, very affordable price, right? Because they're affordable built-in paper binoculars. Anyways.
How much are they right now?
So it comes in a pack. I believe they're like roughly about $20 for a pack of.
Oh, that's not bad.
So yeah, right. I mean, it's designed to be affordable, so the whole family can enjoy it.
Are they already on the market?
We are introducing it right now, so they will be on the market soon.
Okay. And so definitely watch out for Celestron putting this kit out. Go ahead and grab them now and not the week before the eclipse if you're going to go watch it.
Good advice.
Cute little Mead scope.
We have Neat accessories and Celestron accessories.
Bluetooth.
Yep. So that's this device right here. It
Okay.
attaches to your hand controller here and just plugs in normally. And then you can use pretty much any app to send the coordinates to. So I can give you a little demonstration right here. And it can work with, this isn't our own app, this is Sky Safari, thank you. And it can work with pretty much any app that, can work with receivers. So once it's connected, you can select any location and you click go to, and it starts to, probably
You picked a
good one, yeah.
location pretty close. There you go.
There we go.
Very nice.
So it basically, for $60, it takes an older telescope and makes it more modern.
Right.
It's just one plug.
Yeah, this one does look like a little aged.
Trying to breathe, new life into older.
Very nice. Well, is Orion buying out Mead? Is Orion scopes compatible yet, or is that going to be in the works?
No. They're probably not planning to do anything. They just got the IP because of the lawsuit, and they're not really interested in any of the older
liquidating
stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
money.
So, but you guys, you're not going to make it compatible with the Mead stuff or the Orion stuff?
plans for other companies and stuff like that, but I don't know if Orion is on plan.
Yeah, there's just
I think they
such a-
have their own similar device.
Right.
There's just such a large base with meat, so.
Right.
But then you have like these accessories as well to be able to fine tune and not have to shake the unit while you're trying to adjust the.
Yeah. Cool. I don't have a mead, so.
We
You're
have
like the
some,
one
But it's
person
cool.
that doesn't have one.
Yeah.
Hey, man. Get on that.
we have some universal accessories like a
I got
red light USB
I got them.
Nice.
or lights on the bottom. That.
Oh, that's definitely helpful for.
Yeah, those are right here. They're 3 for $5.
New products.
You have that red LED light that I just showed you here is only $3.
Okay.
So fairly reasonable prices.
Pretty cool. And these things are definitely useful for outreach situations where somebody might trip.
Exactly. That's the
So-
whole purpose.
I think I'm gonna get me one. What do you guys have that's new this year?
Oh, harmonic drive, string wheel.
Ah.
Yeah. We brought 7 different models. We actually have 11 models.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, different models. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just the mounts this year, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. I haven't tried one of those yet. I've tried Zewo's, but I have to try yours sometime soon.
Yeah. This is the smallest.
Okay.
Yeah, this is HEM 15, which is 5.5 pound.
Oh, that's light.
Yeah, and they can carry 18 pound.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a strong little guy.
Yeah. Very little.
How much is it?
It is 14.98.
Okay,
Come
cool.
with iPod.
Oh, for polar lining?
Yeah. Built in
That's
electronic polar alarm.
that's nice.
And also this feature I think is good. All the cables is on the station part. Okay. The cable does not move at all.
That's good.
Yeah. When they mount and rotate, the cable stays in the station.
No snags. Oh, and you even got a little
Oh yeah,
little tool in here.
yeah.
Very nice. Cool. Oh man, what a nuts couple of days. Lots of new products, lots of information. The new stuff from Zewo, definitely looking forward to giving those a shot, and I'm looking forward to seeing what other people think about all that. I'm gonna also start trying to filter out of just the Zewo stuff, just to get into where I'm using Nina for control and learning that route as well. That way I can help you guys out. But I'm wiped. This weekend has been nuts and tiring and expensive. So now is the last leg of the expense, where it's a lot of time to drive home and some tanks of gas. If you found this video exciting, please do like, comment, and maybe consider subscribing. And thank you for watching. Clear skies.